Guys, it's that time of the year. It's cold outside. So what not a better time than today to try out my brand new Instapot K-Pod machine. Guys, I'm late to the game. I'm a bargain shopper and I always wait for bargains. So this is my first K-Cup machine and it happened to be an Instapot. And y'all will not guess how much I snagged it for. At Walmart, $25. Retail value, 90 bucks. I'll get back with y'all. But first, let's get into this. Let's see what we have so I can make me a fresh cup of coffee. Because it's cold outside. We have our Instapot instructions. And we have our machine. And that's all that's in here. I am so excited. I cannot wait to try it out. Woo! I almost broke it. First day. Okay, so I'm going to have to be very gentle. But I am so excited. It says 40 ounce removable cup reservoir, flat to extensor buttons, brew size 8, 10, and 12 inch cups, handles the standard 16 ounce travel mugs, one touch button for 3 different sizes, slim footprint, reusable pods for your own coffee grounds. That's great. Guys, I paid 25 bucks for this baby at Walmart. So let me get to making me some coffee because it's cold outside, baby. They're saying about 1 minute we should have some hot coffee. Turn it on. And we're doing 10 ounce. Smells lovely. Okay, that's enough. I hope it's not doing another 12 on top of the 8. That's not gonna work. Stop. 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 Woo! Guys, that's my Instapot K-Pot coffee machine that I snagged for 25 bucks at Walmart. Regular retail value, $99. Peace out.